if you're experiencing FPS drops in League of Legends, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help stabilize your frame rate. Step 1. Lower in-game settings. Access the game settings and reduce the graphics quality. Lowering settings such as texture quality, shadows, and effects can help improve performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run smoother. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting can help prioritize performance over energy saving, which may reduce FPS drops. Step 5. Check for overheating. Monitor your computer's temperature while gaming. If it's overheating, clean your hardware and ensure proper ventilation to prevent thermal throttling. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your game's performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming experience.